to say thanks to God because it's blessed for us, so we can gather here in good condition. And I would like to say thanks because the chance that given to me to present my material about cycling time. First, I want to say, as long as we know our Earth rotates for 24 hours. So, how long is 24 hours? 24 hours is the time from the start. We see the sun is in front of our head, and we start the measuring, and we start until the sun back to top of our head like this. We rotate for once, and until this it will take 24 hours. So we, in our reality life, we say this as one day. So that 24 hours we in astronomy we call it as solar times. What's that solar times? Solar time is solar time measure. We measure the solar time that we make the sun is the pole. What mean the sun is pole? Look at the pictures. So we make the sun is the pole. We measure according to the sun, the time for the sun back to its first position in one rotating like that. So because of this, we measure that it will take 24 hours, and in fact this morning always starts on 6 a.m. and afternoon always starts on 12 a.m. Because of solar time, one day same with 24 hours at that. But scientists said that one day is the time for a star back to its first position after we do measuring. As long as you know, sun is also star, but we measure not only like that. Same like we measure a thing. So this is the pole. We measure the distance of the pole with a thing. This we can measure maybe 1 meter because the pole is not moving. When the pole is not moving, so the measurement will be not changed like that. But if, as long as we know our space is moving, nothing in our space is not moving. So maybe if we see the sun from our Earth, the sun is not moving, only rotate like that. But when we see the sun from another space thing, which is not revolution to the sun. I mean, if we see the sun from another galaxy like that, the sun is moving. It's moving. Maybe make a revolution. We don't know, but that one the sun is moving like that. So we cannot make the sun as the pole. So when the sun is moving, the measurement will be not true because the measurement will change every time we change. Maybe now 24 hours, tomorrow 23 hours, next tomorrow will be 25 hours. So how the scientists measure the time for one day? So the scientists found that one day is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Maybe all of us know this, but how they measure this? So the scientists first choose one star, distant star. Why must be a distant star? So just now I say that we must measure something with the unmoved pole. Maybe just now we say that all of our space is moving. So this distant star also move, but compare with the ratio of the moving of our Earth and of the sun's move will be more bigger than the ratio of our Earth move with the distant star move. Maybe in 1 minute our Earth move 1 kilometer. That's the example. Our Earth move 1 kilometer, and 1 minute our sun move maybe 100 meters. But the distant star will move 1 millimeters like that. So from that, the moving of the distant star, we can obey it. So we can say that the distant star is not moving like that. So the measurement will be more true like that. So when the scientists compare the time for distant star back to its first position and time for sun back to its first position. So look at this picture. First they see when the position of the sun and the distant star is in one point. After 20 hours, that is 20 hours and 56 minutes, the distant star has reached its first position. After 180, the distant star has back to its first position in 20 hours and 56 minutes. But the sun hasn't reached its first position. The sun reached the first position until 24 hours like that. So this is the reason why one day it is 23 hours and 56 minutes. We call this a Saturday day, and this is main solar day like that. So what is the truth? The truth one is the cycle thing. One day is never 24 hours. One day always 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. So if you say you are the scientist person, use this time. Don't use one day 24 hours, because the scientists always use this time to measure anything. So next question. Solar time is wrong. Why does we use the solar time? The solar time is used first when ancient Egypt. So another question: why is one day 24 hours, not 10 hours, not 12 hours, not for 14 hours? Why 24 hours? So the archaeologist says the ancient Egypt measure with their eight fingers. Every fingers have three segments, and every segment will show one part of a day.